Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito mo po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyong lagi na abangan, sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nakabang at nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ang ating pong reading ngayon ay alamin po natin kung ano bang mga ganap o kapalaran na darating sa buwan ng February 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa inyo po. And kapag bago po kayo sa aking channel at hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. At kapag nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading ngayon, I don't forget to comment, mag-like at mag-share na rin po ng ating video. Okay? Ulitin ko, this is for you Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay? And sa mga soulmates po natin sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo na laging nakaabang at nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi ko magsasawang pasalamat sa inyo sapagkat kung wala po kayo ay wala po ang success ng ating channel. Sige po. Pisces, last shuffle po at kukunin na natin ang 10 baraha at hindi na natin papatagal. Okay, Pisces, kunin na natin ang 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Pisces. Reading for February 2026. Alamin natin ano bang mga dapat mong abangan, mga ganap sa buwan ng February. Okay? So, meron na tayong 2 baraha. Last 8 cards please for Pisces. Ayun, balik natin ito ng papita. Sige, mga nakakaublang. Ayun. We have 3 cards sa mga bago po sa ating channel. Baka mamaya mapatanong kayo bakit parang ang gulo, parang ang kalat ko mag-shuffle. Don't you worry because just focus on the reading. Sa pag-shuffle, dyan po ako komportable o yan din yung style ko. But dyan tayo nakakakuha ng mga magagandang barahan na nakaka-resonate ang karamihan. Last 5 cards please, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors for Pisces. Last 4 cards. 3 more. At I know that you're so excited para malaman ano bang maganap sa inyo Pisces sa buwan ng February. Last week ng Spirit Universe. 2 cards more. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Yun, isa na lang. Okay. Pisces, your 10 cards are now complete and sisimulan na natin. I hope and I pray na sa mabuti kayong kalagayan ha. You're safe, you're healthy, and of course, you're happy. Let's begin your February 2026 reading with this very beautiful opening card, King of Pentacles. February, Pisces, nakikita natin dito. Meron ng kasagutan sa mga questions na mga katanungan mo na tumatakbo sa iyong isipan for a long time siguro. There will be a clarity, magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan. But in terms na nakikita natin dito, there will be a resolution or solution sa problema na may kinalaman sa finances because this is a pentacle. Here you are as a knight or parang sundalo. Galing kasi isang laban and here you are, umuwi ka na matagumpay. Look at that very vibrant color of yellow. So it will make you happy. Sabi magiging masaya ka with sa color of joy. So, comes February, may kakaroon ng solusyon ng mga problema matagal na bumabagabag sa'yo. But I can see here na may kinalaman talaga ito sa finances or shared resources or kaperahan. Okay? Then, pangalawa, Empress. So, there will be confidence. Unti-unti manunumbalik ang iyong kumpiyansa sa sarili. Muli kang makikita magiging masaya. You will be smiling again. By February, I can see a kind of Pisces na parang puno naman ng yun. Confidence, at the same time, full of energy. Parang muli kang makikita. Parang, what I can say is, it's like you will be blooming or parang you will be radiating positive energy. Parang kasi sa mga dagdaang weeks or months, it seems that you've been so lonely, so sad. So parang seryoso, malalim. But now, the people will be noticing now, Pisces, parang okay na, settled ang problema mo kasi parang mapapansin ng lahat na yun na nga, magbabago ng mood mo, magiging masaya ka na uli, you will be socializing again with this Empress card, okay? That's what you need to expect by February, Pisces. Pangatlo, King of Swords. So here you are. Aside from the confidence na mababawi mo or that you will be gaining, I can see here also na sa February is that there are some of you Pisces na parang uh, you will be the one na yung decision making ay parang ikaw na muli. Kasi parang for the past time dahil naapektuhan ka, parang nawalan ka nila ng gana, parang yung responsibilities mo sa work or sa family, parang hindi mo na muna ginagampanan, parang pinasa mo na muna to, hinayaan mo na muna yung iba na gumawa. But comes February, you will be reclaiming it, parang kukunin mo ulit to, muling makikita ng lahat ang galing mo sa pag-lead, sa decision making. At the same time, by February, there will be some discoveries sa mga, it will be new skills na ma-unlock sa'yo na maybe, siguro alam mo na rin to for a long time, pero hindi mo lang na-harness, but comes February, madi-discover ito, may mga tao makakaalam nito. At the same time, it will be beneficial for you kasi magagamit mo ito, makakatulong to sa'yo to at least add, makadagdag sa, it's like income generating maaaring sa talent fee or kung ano man. But, there will be a new skills and craft that will be unlocked in your life by February, Pisces. Okay? Nasusundan ba? Let's continue with the fourth card. Look at this one. So, the cards are not lying. This is a very beautiful card. Look at that. Very beautiful color. So, this is a strength card. Comes February, magtutuloy-tuloy ang yung pagbangon, yung recovery period mo after those parang setbacks ng mga weeks and months na parang masyadong nasa hermit mode ka o parang hindi ka napansin o hindi ka masyadong nakita ng karamihan. It's because you've been affected by this, mga problems, at the same time sa mga responsibilities na na-overwhelm ka na sinisettle mo muna. There are some hindi pa rin tapos, but at least now, by February, sabi ko nga, there will be resolution. And this is strength card is a confirmation also na sinasabi ng universe na you don't need to worry, okay? You just need to ask guidance. At the same time, you will be asking signs from God, from the universe, from your ancestors and the spirit guides, your angels, guardian angels, and you will be seeing, siguro magulat ka, but wag ka na magtaka, you will be seeing a lot of angel numbers, yung pattern numbers 444, I can see 77111, so it means that the universe is communicating to you, Pisces, o may iba nga sa inyo na napapansin yan ngayon, so expect na rin by February na maging vivid yung dreams nyo, yung mga panaginip nyo, makakapanaginip kayo ng weird, yung mga pumanaw nyo na sumal sa buhay. So that is normal for you because yung intuition mo lalakas, yung kutob, muling parang lahat ng hinala mo ay tama ulit. Okay? But it means that ang nais sabihin niyan is the universe wants to communicate with you that there's a message that wants to send to you. Okay? Sige. Panglima, look at this one. Fame, recognition. Comes February, sabi ko nga talagang ito na yung may nakikita tayo ditong awards. So, if you're waiting, if siguro may salilihan ka, mananalo ka, or maybe if you're waiting for a pension or payment sa something na parang dinil mo, this is all about something big. Recognition na kumbaga kabayaran to sa pagsisikap mo, or maybe it's like, there will be fame. Parang nakakakita rin tayo dito ng pangalan, magiging matunog. It's because of your talent or your craft that minamaster mo, Pisces. Siguro magaling kang kumanta, magaling kang sumaya. So maybe I can see here also na may mga Pisces mag-start making content and you will be publishing it online. So you will be gaining followers. And here you are, ayan, no? So you will be inspiring them. Kung may talent ka sa ganyan and you have the mouthpiece, parang magaling ka sa communication, why don't start a podcast? And I can see that started in the month of February, Pisces, and it will boost your confidence. At the same time, magugulat ka because it will explode. And kahit ikaw never mo ma-expect na parang ganun magiging kabilis ang takbo ng lahat. Okay? Pang-anim, look at this one. This is a Nine of Pentacles. So, this is a confirmation card. Magkatapat sila ng Knight of Pentacles. Sabi ko nga, so there will be a resolution. Magiging magaan ang lahat ng daloy ng mga bagay-bagay sa comes February. But in terms, may kinalaman sa pera. Ano ba? Magkatapat sila ng una nating barahan na ito, Pentacles na sinabi ko. So there will be a solution. Makakagawa ka ng paraan. May mga bagong networks of people na maaring tumulong sa'yo. Maaring may madidiscover kang bagong pagkakakitaan, Pisces, or any kind of thing na papabor sa'yo na makakatulong sa'yo in terms of money. This Nine of Pentacles, ito yung magiging kalagayan mo sa February. No need to worry. Okay, siguro kung maaring may delays man, but you are assured that it will still be given to you na kumbaga buong buo or sayong-sayo talaga. Okay? Then, let's continue sa pampito. And kapag naka-resonate kayo, ulitin ko ha, mag-comment kayo because nagre-reply po ako sa mga comment. At the same time, i-like and share na rin po ang ating video. Of course, huwag niyong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe. Okay, let's continue with your 7th card para sa February 2026 mong reading. Oh, look at this one. Here comes the sun. So, there will be a bright, February will be a month full of blessings para sa Pisces because here comes the sun. This is a confirmation that abundance is coming on your way. Paparating ang prosperity because di ba alam nga natin kung gaano kahalaga ang sun sa universe. So the sun is the one giving life for all the living organisms in this earth sa ating mundo. At the same time, it boosts our morale, our confidence. So expect sa February Pisces na your life will be clear, magiging malinaw ang lahat, so it will be filled with confidence also. You will be contented, you will be happy. So, wala ka nang hanapin pa, you will be oozing with too much confidence, okay? So, you will be radiating like a sun. So, here comes the sun. So, expect mo February talaga magiging maayos ang lahat. Magiging clear, malinaw lahat kung saan ba ang direksyon na patutunguhan mo ngayong taon, okay? Pangwalo, your 8th card, Pisces, is the Temperance card. So, comes February, you need to have the courage to at least stand up for what is right. But you need also to learn, matuto na, kumbaga, i-modify or at least isipin muna yung mga salitang bibitawan. Walang masama na mag-reason out sa mga bagay-bagay, but you need to think it not only once, twice, but 100 times. Kasi pwede naman tayong sumagot o pwede tayong mag-reason out, but in a way na yung mga words na gagamitin natin ay hindi nakakasakit. It's because, this year will be, itong year of the Fire Horse 2026 will be a year where the emotions will be fueled with anger. Kumbaga, parang maging sensitive ang mga tao. That's why kailangan natin ng mahabang pasensya. But this Temperance card comes February, your patience will be tested, Pisces. But sabi ko nga, the only advice that I can give to you is that pwede kang sumagot, pwede kang mag-retaliate, but you need to think yung mga salitang bibitawan mo na hindi makakadagdag sa apoy or sa emotion. Okay? 9th card is the Hangman. So, comes February, ang nakikita natin dito, sabi ko, may konting setbacks pa, although sabi ko, everything will be clear, everything will, kumbaga magiging flawless ang February mo, but still there's some setbacks na siguro ito yung mga konting bagay pa na nais na dapat mong masettle na, siguro mga natitira pa from November, December, January last year, but I know that you can solve it. Okay, magagawan mo ng paraan ang lahat ng ito. And kung kailangan gawin huwag nang palipasin pa. If you have time, make an action dito. Kasi baka mamaya makalimutan mo to at or ma-neglect mo ito at baka mamaya mag-cause naman ng problem or mag-cause ng, kumbaga, dahil siguro akala natin maliit lang na bagay na problema na pwede namang gawin bukas at nakalimutan natin, baka mamaya lumala yan. Okay, this Hangman, so there's some major setbacks lang, may mga konting bumpy roads lang sa February, but all in all, you can make a way para masolusyonan yan. Okay? Tapusin natin, Pisces, ang yung February 2026 reading with your 10th and last card. So, we have the 7 of Pentacles. So, here you are. Shared resources, property, income stream. So, may mga susulpot na bagong pwede mong pasukin na makakadagdag na sa kita mo. It's because it's your nature na talagang maging resourceful o sino bang ayaw ng pera. But comes February, may mga madidiscover ka, mayroong mga tao na lalapit sa'yo. The universe will be sending situations, people na makaka-connect mo. Sabi ko, there will be a connection. There will be networks na bagong tao na makikilala mo na makakatulong sa'yo at least to provide or to give you to lay out a new options, choices in terms of things na pwedeng pagkakitaan or income generating. But all in all, February 2026 is I can say that out of 100% it's like 98%. It will be very good month for you Pisces, and I'm so happy with this reading. Sana maraming Pisces ang makapanood nito. I hope and I pray na maraming Pisces na soulmates ang makapanood nito ngayon, at kapag naka-resonate kayo, please don't forget to comment, like, and share na rin. And of course, don't hesitate to subscribe para mas lalong lumago at ating channel at mas lumaki ang lawak na maabot ng ating mga videos at mas marami tayong soulmates na matulungan. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, ano man ang ginagawa niyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.